Hello everybody, welcome back to Auditore Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your RedMagic 11 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So if you're not using the original charger, then what you guys want to do is make sure that it's not damaged. Next, what you guys want to do is clean the charging port right at the bottom with a non-metallic tool. So we can use something like this soft brush. We can just stick it in and try getting everything out of there. Now, let me quickly switch the hands. And here we're gonna put it. Now we're gonna make sure that it's definitely cleaning. And after that, we're just gonna rub everything off of it. And now our charging port is clean. What we want to do next is we want to go over to the settings and make sure that we have turbocharging enabled. We want to go here, now swipe down until you see battery, and here in the battery we want to go over and make sure that turbocharge is enabled. After that, what you guys want to do is test another fast charger or change the outlet in your house or whatever you are. Now, after changing it, see if there are some differences. If not, then what you guys can do as a last resort is go over and update your software to fix any charging glitches. So scroll down, go to system, it's almost at the bottom. Now go over to the system update and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, the software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.